USB cords come in various types and have distinct purposes. Here's a brief explanation of the differences between some common USB cord types. USB-A is the standard USB connector most people are familiar with. It's rectangular and often used to connect peripherals like keyboards, mice, and external hard drives. USB-B is more square-shaped and is commonly used for connecting printers and some older external hard drives. Micro USB is a smaller, compact connector found on many older smartphones, tablets, and other portable devices. It's being phased out in favor of USB-C. Mini USB is an older, less common connector found on older digital cameras, MP3 players, and some older mobile phones. USB-C is a versatile, small, and reversible connector that's becoming increasingly popular. It's used in modern smartphones, laptops, tablets, and a wide range of accessories. It can carry data, power, and video signals. USB 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 are not different connectors but refer to different generations of USB technology, offering varying data transfer speeds. USB 3.0 is also known as USB 3.1 Gen 1, while USB 3.1 is known as USB 3.1 Gen 2. USB 3.2 is the latest version, with even faster data transfer rates. USB OTG, which stands for on the go, allow mobile devices like smartphones to act as both hosts and peripherals, enabling direct connections between them and other USB devices, such as USB flash drives or keyboards. In summary, USB cords differ in terms of connector types, generations, and special types. The choice of USB cord depends on the specific devices you want to connect and their compatibility.